In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an Amazon Web Services account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go to aws.amazon.com. Also put a link to that down in the description below. Once from here, it should be looking something like this. And here you'll be able to go over to the create account section over here in the right hand corner. And once from here, you'll simply need to click on it like so. Once from here, you can see that you can sign up for AWS by adding a root user email. This email is used for recovery and described in the AWS privacy notice that you can read if you click right here, and then a new page will pop up where you can read about the privacy notice if you want to do that. But from here, you'll simply need to add in your email, and then you'll need to go down to AWS account name and then add your account. Once from here that you have clicked verify, you'll need to verify the email by going inside of your email and then type in the code that AWS has sent to you. Once you've done that, you'll simply just need to click verify, and then you'll go over to the next process or the next step. From here, you can see that it's you, your email address has been successfully verified, and from here you'll need to add in a root user password. Now from here, you'll simply need to add in your password and then confirm your password, and then continue to step 1 out of 5. Once from here, you'll be able to sign up for AWS, where you'll need to choose your account plan. Now from here, you'll be able to get a free 6-month period that you can use and try AWS console if you want to do that, or you can go over to the paid directly paid, where you can develop production ready workloads and get access to everything that AWS console provides. Once from here, you'll simply need to choose either of these plans. And once from here, you'll need to enter in your full name, your organization name, which is an optional one, your country code, and your phone number, the country and region that you live in, your address line 2 if you want to do that, your city, state, province, and region, and lastly, your postal code. Once from here, you have written all these down, you'll simply need to click agree and continue to step 3. Once from here, you'll need to add in your billing information, where you'll need to add in your card number, the expiration date, security code, name on card, and then from here, you'll need to add the billing address, where you can either use your contact address right here, or you can use a new address if you want, you have that. From here, you'll simply need to click continue, and then you'll need to follow through with everything AWS is going to ask you, and also that you will need to be verified that AWS will take $1 or equal for 5 to 3 days to verify your account to prevent fraud. You'll of course get the $1 back once you have filled in all these details. But anyway, that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!